Contractors who send estimates manually usually lose time on every job because they rebuild the same pricing, retype the same descriptions, and wait hours or days before the customer actually sees the quote. By the end of this, you'll know how automated estimate systems work, how to set them up properly, and how to send quotes to customers faster without sacrificing accuracy or professionalism. Automated estimates are not just faster quotes. They are systems that generate, send, and track pricing based on templates, job details, and predefined pricing rules. The first step is building reusable estimate templates. Instead of writing each quote from scratch, you create standard structures for common jobs like repairs, installs, or service calls. This matters because most contractors repeat the same types of work, and templates remove the need to rebuild pricing every time. The second step is setting up pricing rules. This means labor, materials, and markups are already defined in the system, so estimates calculate automatically based on job details. This reduces human error and keeps pricing consistent across different customers. The third step is connecting estimates to customer data. When a new lead comes in, the system should already store their information so quotes can be generated without re-entering details. This speeds up response time, which is critical because customers often choose the first contractor who replies with a clear price. The fourth step is automated delivery. Once an estimate is created, it should be sent automatically by email or text instead of waiting for manual sending from the office. This ensures no quote gets stuck in a draft folder or forgotten during a busy workday. Another important step is customer approval tracking. Automated systems show whether a customer has viewed, accepted, or ignored the estimate. This helps you follow up at the right time instead of guessing when to check in. When comparing systems, the main difference is between basic quote tools and full-service business platforms. Basic tools focus only on generating estimates. Full platforms connect estimates with scheduling, invoicing, and job tracking. The right choice depends on how your business operates. If you only need faster quotes, a simple tool may be enough. If you want estimates to turn directly into scheduled jobs, a connected system is more effective. A practical next step is to look at how long it currently takes you to send a quote after a customer request. If it takes more than a short window, automation will immediately improve your response speed. If this helped you understand how to automate estimates, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor software and business systems.